Hello friends, today we will be visiting Guinness Storehouse in Dublin to learn how to pour a beautiful pint of Guinness. So stick around.
So please guys, come behind the bar as you are coming back then this for today. Okay guys? So before we start, okay, another question for you guys. How many steps do you guys think that it takes to pour a beautiful pint of Guinness? I know that you might not know the answer yet, but give me a quick guess, the number.
I think 8.
You think 5? Okay. So 3 might be what we can do with the regular lager. We just put the pan, it on the last.
Yeah.
Okay. Guinness, remember, has get money on for glasses. That means that two steps of them will be pouring. You might be tempted to think that it's 5. But in Guinness officially, we take 6 easy steps to pour a beautiful pint of Guinness. Step number 1 is the most important and sometimes the most forgotten. Okay? If not, we were going to be here with the abstracts doing nothing. Okay? Just talking about the beautiful day with a little bit cloudy, but still beautiful day here in Dublin. Okay, step number 1 is of the glass. When I picked up the glass, I checked a few things. I'm checking that it's really dry glass, that it's room temperature, not thin. Standard. It has that nice golden Guinness art, okay? That's important because it allows the pour later on. Our side of the glass is the one that is embossed, okay? And once we have checked all of that, and we have our glass outside, remember you are back at the spotted section, okay? Not the customer, the customer is the one that has the golden art. You will present your glass. That's step number 2, okay? To present it, do you see that there's a ring for the glass and a line in the middle? That's there by design. Okay guys? You will place your back of the glass so that it reaches there. Just place it on the point, okay? It will make it easier to hold the glass, okay? Once the glass is, the nozzle is pointed at the center, on the other side, you will be automatically on the 45 degree angle with your hands. Just step number 3, 4. Full commitment here, okay? Have the handle all the way down. See that I am not pushing it forward like an extra, things like that, you don't want to break. Okay? Just one quick motion down until the handle goes all the way down. Liquid start coming in, and you do it. When the liquid reaches at the bottom of the golden arm, you will spray the glass just below the handle. Okay? And when the liquid reaches at the top of the golden arm, guys, okay? See that dot there on arm? Yeah? Yeah? So when you see that the liquid arrives there, start letting it stop the pour, most likely it will okay? And you will stop the pour by using the handle. There's a spring in the handle, it will help you make it nice and straight. No extra pressure, guys. If you put extra pressure, what it will happen is the liquid will start coming out again. The thing is, we need that extra space around us for the second, okay? So, set all of this. Once you finish your course, so you leave the handle on, and it stops. You will place your glasses on right there, okay?
Yeah.
So, as it is 2 of you, and the lead glass will be here. You will go on this side, and you will go on this side, okay? So, step number 1, pick up the glass. I saw you already mine, but mine is the one that I use with trainers, so we're going to pick it up. Is it a purple glass? Purple glass, okay, try to have that, yeah. You will do it on number 2, you will do it on number 5, okay? So you will present your glass, and then the back of the glass goes away. And then you fill your back, and you fill with until the glass goes away. There you go. Hands on handles. All the way down, pull it up. When the liquid is at the bottom of the arms, below the nozzle, below the nozzle. Okay. Once you take out it takes acceleration, okay? It makes it affect so hard and then quick. So the customer always says it's beautiful. Okay? And the thing is get it now. Remember that I told you that your hands need to be nice and straight? That because if your hands are nice and straight, all the one of the sun will be nice and straight because they are exactly opposite hands. Okay? So now it's your turn to top them up. Okay? So I will call you by your number 2, your plus 5. Okay? Place your points slightly under the number, not being slightly, okay? Just like that, yeah? And this time you will press home from the handle and introduce the brain, okay? And this time you make a little bit of color at home. More, tiny bit more. You should have the last number. That's it. And excellent. If you just basically turn on the wheel, try to make sure that your hands okay? So guys, I see 2 beautiful pints of Guinness. What I'm looking is for a nice straight side. I'm looking a little bit of the dough. So we have a little bit. However, 110 is more straight than the other. Yeah. Here's a little bit there. It's going to do a little bit more straight. You come using my point of view just here. So this one here. To what? Glass here.
I think that's
Now it will be your time to show you beautiful pints again.